Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you Jayden's bedroom transformation. So before I start the whole transformation, let's take a look back at when we first got into the house. This is how Jayden's bedroom used to look. This is how the closet used to look. The closet was one of the first things that we did in this home, and I will link that video. Then of course we started construction, new flooring. We removed the popcorn from the ceiling. We removed all that old molding and baseboards that the room had, and we put new subflooring before we added the new luxury vinyl floors. After the construction was done in this room, this is how the room looked. We just needed lighting and of course the furniture. So just wanted to show you how everything looked. The bedroom color is Banjamin Chantilly lace, and that's how it looked back then. Then of course we got the bed from Wayfair. It was an affordable bed and it's honestly very good quality for the price, and that's the one I went with for him. For lighting, I went with this fan from Amazon. It changes light colors, it plays music, and it hides the winds of the fan. And it looks like that. Wanted an area for Jayden to sit down and do his homework, like a desk area, but the room is not as big. So I decided to go with this bookshelf desk from Wayfair. Honestly, amazing. It doesn't take a lot of space and it looks really pretty.
You guys, so I am here in Jayden's room. So the goal is to organize his room, clean it up, put a Christmas tree up here, the one that I had in the guest room. Nobody came for the holidays, so we're just gonna move it here and put all his little gifts here and surprise him with a little room makeover. This is phase one of his room makeover. It's not completely done, but I want to just share this moment with you and his reaction. He's currently at my mom's house, so of course we're gonna pick him up on Christmas Eve, and then on Christmas Day we will show him what happened to his room. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for.
Alright, you guys, I am done. I did it just in time for Christmas. I gave Jayden a little room makeover. I think he's gonna be super surprised because this room has just been the dump it all room because he doesn't sleep in here yet. But that's the plan, for him to sleep here now. I even got him a weighted blanket. I am prepared, you guys, and I know he's gonna love this little transformation. Anyways, now I'm gonna give you guys a whole tour to show you how everything turned out.
Roll, please, because Mama did an amazing job. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the beautiful makeover for my little boy, and I am loving every single detail on this room. Don't forget to check the description box because I will be linking everything there as far as furniture, decor, paint color, everything we have in this room will be linking there.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love.
Close your eyes. I'm gonna close your eyes. And 1, 2, 3.
Help me. Come on. Where's the bite Where is it?
What
Help me.
happened? Who are you looking for? What do you think of your room?
Look, put that. Just put that. Just put that.
Check the mail. Maybe he left you a note.
Oh, no. I'm not going to touch it. Oh, we feel.
It's okay. Don't touch him.
He says, get a little house.
It says what? Let me read it for you.
All
It
the
says
day.
here, Jayden, I hope you like your bedroom refresh. Thanks for being a good boy this year. It is time for me to say goodbye. I had lots of fun with you this Christmas. Love, Johnny.
Dolly, you live with me?
Yeah.
Clean. Clean, Dolly, clean. Okay, I'm gonna stay with you. You hear that? You're gonna stay with me.
So what do you think of the room, Jay? Jolie did all of this for you.
Yeah.
You love it?
No, I don't put it.
Okay, but what do you think of the room?
That's pretty.
It's pretty?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the big one.
But for watching, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a subscribe and a like if you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, let me know what you think of the transformation, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.